Welcome. Now we're going to take a look at payment methods in our PrintViz Business Central system. The payment methods, similar to payment terms, get created when we do our PrintViz Rapid Start and import our base system. This is a standard Business Central feature. If you have questions, please reach out to your partner. To access the payment methods, we hit our search feature and search for payment methods, and select payment methods from the menu list. This list, as I said, was auto-created when we did our base import of our base accounting system. However, we can add additional ones at any point. If we'd like to add a, for instance, credit card, we have that ability to specify credit card payment. In this field, we have on this page, we have several fields that get filled out. The first is the code, which specifies basically your identification for it, and a description for that: payment on account, bank transfer, cash payment, credit card. The balance account type, whether it specifies that it's going to a bank account or to a GL account, and then the account number. We can link this to a specific GL account number if we want credit card payments to post to a specific GL account. We can specify that GL account here. If it is set up for direct debit, we can specify that as well as the payment terms for that direct debit, which are pulled from our payment terms list. There are a couple of other features, such as exporting. If we have data exchange set up in our system to exchange automatically with our bank or with another provider, we can set that up, as well as the method of payment and whether or not it's used for invoicing. To create a new payment method, we either click on a blank line, or we can click New at the top and so fill in our information. From there, we can select our GL account if we need one. To assign the payment method to a vendor or a customer, it's similar to assigning the payment terms. We navigate to our customer card, or as we're creating the customer. And under payments, we can select the payment method code. You may have to click Show More in order for that field to show up under the Payment tab. And that just specifies how the customer pays. This is not a required field. When you set up a customer, you can leave it blank. It's just handy so that it's there when your accounting department is processing invoices for customers, and they know that if it's a credit card payment, they have to process the credit card, or if it's a check payment, they know to wait for a check. And we have the ability to set that up under vendors as well. There's our payment method. If you have any questions about payment methods or anything in any of our videos, please reach out to your PrintViz partner.